Have you ever seen a place so unreal, you'd swear it was CGI? Our planet is home to some mind-blowing natural wonders that look completely photoshopped. But I promise you, every single one you'll see today is 100% real. From a lake that shines bright pink, to a glowing beach that lights up like stars under your feet, these wonders will make you question what's possible on Earth. So sit back, relax, and let's explore 7 natural wonders that don't look real, but are. Let's start with one of the most unreal-looking places on Earth, a lake that is naturally bright pink. Located on Middle Island in Australia, Lake Hillier stays pink all year round. No filters, no editing, no tricks. Just pure bubblegum pink water. Scientists believe the bold color comes from microorganisms and algae that thrive in its salty water. But here's the wild part. The color doesn't fade even if you scoop it into a bottle. It stays pink. From above, the lake looks like a giant cotton candy pool sitting right beside the deep blue ocean. A contrast so perfect it almost feels edited. Would you swim here if you had the chance? Next, we're traveling to a place that looks like the entrance to another world, a fiery crater that has been burning for over 50 years. In the Karakum Desert of Turkmenistan, there's a massive pit known as the Darvaza gas crater, but most people call it the door to hell. And once you see it, you'll know why. This giant crater was formed in 1971 when the ground collapsed during a gas drilling accident. To prevent toxic gas from spreading, scientists set it on fire, expecting it to burn out in a few days. But it never stopped. 5 decades later, it's still burning. At night, the flames glow against the desert sky, making it look like a gateway to the underworld. It's eerie, hypnotic, and absolutely unforgettable. Would you dare stand at the edge of it? Imagine mountains that look like they've been painted with a giant brush. That's exactly what you'll find in the Rainbow Mountains. In China's Zhangye Dangxia and Peru's Vinicunca Mountain, the hills are covered in natural stripes of red, yellow, green, and orange. And no, they're not painted. These colors were formed over millions of years, as layers of minerals and sandstone compressed and rose with the Earth's movements. When the sunlight hits these mountains, the colors become even more vibrant, like a real-life rainbow stretching across the land. Rate this wonder from 1 to 10. How unreal does it look? Now, let's visit a beach that lights up like a sky full of stars, except these stars are beneath your feet. On Vadhu Island in the Maldives, the waves glow bright blue at night, creating the famous Sea of Stars. The glow comes from tiny plankton called bioluminescent phytoplankton. When waves crash or when you walk on the sand, they release a magical blue light. It looks like the ocean is sparkling with fairy dust. Many travelers say it's the most romantic natural phenomenon they've ever seen. Would you walk along this glowing beach at night? Next, we're heading to Turkey, to a place that looks like frozen waterfalls made of snow, but it's actually warm, white mineral pools. This stunning wonder is called Pamukkale, meaning cotton castle in Turkish. Over thousands of years, mineral-rich thermal waters flowed down the mountainside, creating terraced pools of bright white limestone. The warm blue water combined with the snowy white steps makes it feel like a fantasy spa built by nature itself. You can soak in the pools, walk along the terraces, and feel like you're standing inside a dream. Would this be on your travel bucket list? For our final wonder, we're going underground into one of the most surreal natural formations in the world, Antelope Canyon in Arizona. This slot canyon was carved by wind and flash floods over thousands of years, creating smooth, flowing shapes that look like waves frozen in time. The sunlight shines through the narrow openings above, creating magical beams of light that illuminate the walls with shades of orange, pink, and purple. When you walk inside, it feels like stepping into a painted sculpture. Every curve and line looks like artwork. It's one of the most photographed natural wonders on Earth, and once you see it, you'll understand why. Would you explore this canyon, or does it look too mysterious for comfort? But the best part? These aren't fantasy. They're real, and they're waiting out there for us to explore. From glowing beaches to rainbow-colored mountains, burning craters, and pink lakes, nature never stops surprising us. Which of these 7 wonders blew your mind the most? Was it the pink lake, the glowing sea, or the rainbow mountains? I'd love to know. Drop your top one in the comments and tell me why. And if you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like this video so more people can discover these incredible places too. Want more mind-blowing travel wonders like this? Hit subscribe and turn on the to never miss a new adventure. And here's your challenge. If you could visit only one of these wonders, which one would you choose, and who would you bring with you? Tell me in the comments. I'm curious. Thanks for watching, and remember, the world is full of magic for those who look. See you in the next adventure.